There are two huge missing features from Gmail, especially if you work in sales or customer support. Number one, the ability to sequence emails to a recipient that automatically stop when the recipient replies. And number two, the ability to get reminders for any email that went unresponded. Better yet, if you could get that all in a single pane of glass to track, Automagical Nudge does both. Let me show you how it works. So from right within Gmail, you open Automagical Nudge. Now, to attach an email sequence, you simply select a pre-written template that you've put together, customize on the fly the message, the date, and time of delivery, which could be a minute from now or a year from now, and then hit Apply Sequence. And then the email nudges will automatically start rolling out, and they only stop if the user or recipient replies or you cancel the nudge sequence. Now, if you've already drafted your email, you can hit the AI Generate Follow-ups button to automatically generate your follow-up messages based on the initial email that you sent out. All right, let's talk about reminders. So reminders are emails that are forwarded right back to the top of your inbox if there was no reply, or if there was a reply but you still want to get the reminder. You can set as many reminders as you want on any time frame that you want. So you could set a reminder for an email in a minute, in a year, or even in 10 years. All right, if you haven't completely lost your mind yet, let's talk about the Google Workspace add-on and the Chrome extension for Automagical Nudge, two components that work together. The add-on installs right to your Gmail, and it allows you to use Nudge on your Gmail mobile app so you can use it on the go. The Chrome extension just works on your desktop. It loads faster, looks nicer, and also allows you to attach reminders and sequences directly from the email compose screen. So with Nudge and both components, you can attach nudges and reminders in the compose screen after you've sent the message or after you've received the message. Doesn't matter. Okay, suppose you have hundreds of sequences and hundreds of reminders. How do you keep track of it all? Well, Automagical Nudge will export all of the active and archived nudges and reminders into a Google Sheet, and also right within the Gmail UI. So you don't have to leave Gmail to see all of the reminders and nudge sequences that you have running. Do you work in sales or support where you manage hundreds of emails a day? Or are you a human being that exists on the planet Earth that uses Gmail? If any of the above, give Automagical Nudge a try. Let us know what you think. Thank you.